Hello everyone, welcome to Analytical Classes Excel tutorials from beginners to advanced level. So today's topic is how to calculate the future value in Excel. So it is done using FV formula or function in Excel, which is used to calculate the future value of an investment based on a constant interest rate, the number of period and regular payments. It is useful for financial planning to project the value of savings or investment over time, since we all invest something and we want to know how much it will turn out in future over the certain number of period. So FP formula is used to calculate that future value. So formula has components like rate and per PMT, PV, comma type. Rate is the interest rate per period and per is the total number of payment periods, can be yearly, quarterly, monthly, and as per your condition of the requirement. PMT is the payment made each period and PV is optional, present value or lump sum amount initially invested. So if you want, like if you have invested something, like you invested 10,000 and then you are paying every month 500, 500, 500. So in this case the PV will be 10,000. So it is optional because it will hardly happens if you are investing something and over that investment you are regularly paying something. So if that is your case, you can put PV as 10,000. Otherwise, you can say it's 0. Type is 0 for the end of the period if we are paying at the 30th or the end, 30, 28, whatsoever the month is, depending on that. So 0 is when you are paying at the end of the period and 1 is when you are paying at the first date of the period. So, so coming to the practical example, we have to calculate the returns on an investment. Rate is 6%, monthly payment is going 200 and time period is 5 years. So we can calculate over here. 6% is yearly, we can divide it by 12. Then this is yearly 5 years, so we can convert this also into monthly basis. So this is done. Now payments are made at the end of the each month, so 0 will be the type, and for future value we know the formula FV. Rate, now we have calculated it in monthly basis, so taking this only, then N per will be this 60 months, then PMT is minus 200 and PV is 0 since we have not paid any initial lump sum amount. 0 because it is paid at the end of the month. So closing parenthesis and pressing enter will give us 13,954.01, or we can say 13,954 rupees, which we will get after 5 years if we keep on investing 200 every month at the rate of 6%. So taking the another example as well, let's assume we have paid the PV as 5,000. So in that case the rate will be 500, the N per is 5 years, PMT is 200 and comma, since we have not put the minus sign, so we are taking it here, minus PM 5000 PV comma type, pressing enter will give us 20,698. So we have invested 5,000 initially and then we agreed on a terms that we will pay 200 monthly also for 5 years. So in that scenario 20,698.26 will be the returns. So some additional point about future value which we should keep in mind, that always use a negative sign for the payment PMT or present value PV to indicate outgoing cash flow. Since we have paid them, they have gone apart from us, so we can use a minus sign so that the returning amount FV should be in positive. And FV function is commonly used for savings, retirement planning and investment projections, because we want to know how much future value which we will get after all these things. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel and also follow the channel on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.